Aristotle's genius, the lost wisdom that changed history. Aristotle, one of history's greatest minds. A student of Plato, a teacher of Alexander, and a philosopher who shaped the world. But what made him different? Born in 384 BCE in Stagira, Aristotle studied under Plato in Athens for 20 years. But unlike his teacher, he believed truth wasn't in an abstract world of forms. It was found in real-life experiences. He explored everything: ethics, politics, science. He studied 158 constitutions to write the book Politics, defining the best government as one where rulers and the ruled take turns. In 342 BCE, Aristotle tutored a young prince, Alexander, future ruler of the world. But after Alexander's death, Aristotle's ties to Macedonia made him a threat. Athens turned on him. He fled, leaving behind works like Nicomachean Ethics and Metaphysics, nearly lost to time. Centuries later, Arab philosophers Ibn Sina and Ibn Rushd revived Aristotle's works, bringing them to Europe. His ideas reshaped science, logic, and government. Plato sought truth in perfection. Aristotle found it in reality. But his ideas on governance? That's a debate for another time. In our next video, we'll uncover Aristotle's classification of constitutions and his vision of the ideal state. Subscribe now and join us on this journey of knowledge. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below, are you a Platonist or an Aristotelian?